Well, happy day, everybody. Welcome in. I have got some Cash Express luxury line buffalo. Now, for a little bit, we're going to do the 10-cent denomination, 750 bets. I've got $200 in there. You know, that's a lot to start with. I don't like to commit $200 right off the bat, but we're going to. Fix up this camera just a little bit. Got that volume all the way up. Let's start this party. All right, guys, you know what we need. Buffaloes all the way across, or money with a gold train, or 3 coins anywhere, so we can get into that luxury line bonus, please. Of course, we get that gold train, but we don't have any money over here. There's $6 for us. Let me just fix something really quick here. Just making sure my phone is charging. It is. There's some 9s for $6. I don't know if we've had a win yet. I haven't been watching. Oh, come on. Oh, that would have been great, you guys. Oh, buffaloes. Oh my gosh, you guys. Is that $150? Yes, $150. Oh my gosh. On the machine I just showed you where the major was hit, a guy was just playing it a little bit ago, and he had a hand pay for $1,200 because he hit a whole bunch of lions all the way across on dime denomination. But he was betting $37.50. I literally had a stroke as I saw what he was betting. Oh my gosh. Oh, $37.50. I was just like, oh yeah, thank you, not so much. You guys, our ticket 308. That's the way to start it off, buffaloes. Thank you so much. And look at another $50. I am recording, right? Yes. Okay. We are doing great, you guys. Yes, 351. That's our high so far. And we know we're going to surpass that. Come on, 3 coins. I want to get into that luxury line bonus. Little bit of buffaloes there for $8. Oh, do it, train. Or the star, either one would, oh, one more, do it. Oh my gosh, so much happening, I didn't even know what was going on. Okay guys, we were at 351. Buffaloes, we don't want to take down too much of our ticket now. You know, this 750 bet is awfully high for me, and it really can be thirsty and take our ticket way down really quick. Look at that, 100 already gone. Oh, one more. Oh my gosh. There is a lot of noise around me, you guys. People are winning. Okay, what is that, 16? One more. Oh, we got it, you guys. We got it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I have my fancy black, really glossy ring on today. It's kind of like a little bubble. Okay, we are going for luxury line. Pressing it with the black ring. Going with the L. Come on, trains. Oh, we need a train. One train. No train. Can we get a gold train? No, we're just collecting money. And $52. Not too bad. $2.63 now our ticket. All right. We need a redo on that, you guys. We need a train in there. Don't quiet down on us, machine. Buffaloes. $8. Oh, there's quite a bit of 9s and cougars all the way across, you guys. $50 in cougars and $1 in kings, and what is that, $8 in 9s? 59. That was sweet. All right, 3 coins again. We need a bonus redemption. I hear Triple Sparkle over there going crazy. Buffaloes? Oh, this is a big bet, you guys. Oh, one more. We got it, you guys. Bonus redemption time. Okay. Oh, that came quick. Oh my gosh, my palms are so sweaty. That's so gross. Okay, Diet Pepsi time. I need a sip. Okay, we are primed. We are ready. I am touching the word cash with all my fingers. We need a lot of cash. Train. A full train. Give us a group. Look at that though. That's $100 right there, you guys. But that's our second bonus where we haven't gotten a train. 142. Not bad at all. Look at that. 361. We are $10 above our all-time ticket high, you guys. Amazing. All right, you guys, here we go. Does it have a third bonus in it for us? That would be amazing. Because just getting 2 bonuses is quite amazing. There's 2 of them, you guys, 2 of them. And you know, both of those coins have been on the first 3 reels. No, oh my gosh. $200 line hit, you guys. This never happens to me on Buffalo. We're going above $500. I wish you the best of luck today. Thank you so much.
Looks like you're doing okay.
Yeah, so far we're hanging in there. Take care. Oh my gosh, you guys, let's help it out. My neighbor was playing here. Really great, guys. So much fun. 202. Our ticket now 518. I just want to cash out and run away, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna keep going, you guys. I'm so nervous though. You never know when to stop. It's like, is it done? Is it gonna keep paying? I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh, if we just had one more buffalo there. $20, you guys. We need our screen to look like that, you guys. We need our screen to look like that in the luxury line bonus. All right. Here we go. 2 more. Oh my gosh, I saw them both go by. Oh my gosh. Do it, please. Oh my gosh, we got the minor train. And I was contemplating cashing out. That was my last spin. Oh my God, I can't talk. I can't, oh my gosh. Minor, be in the car. Be in the car. It's a $500 minor. These are dimes, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm having a palpitation. Oh my gosh. It's over 100. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Over 150. Oh my gosh, 200. 200 now. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. What is happening? 247, you guys. Oh my gosh. The camera was all jacked up too. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Is the ticket gonna go to where I think it? No, I'm not even gonna throw that out there just yet. Let's just keep enjoying. Okay. 247.50. We didn't even have to get a bonus for that, you guys. That was better than our bonuses. That was better than both of our bonuses combined. Oh my gosh, our ticket, 748. What? Oh my gosh. It's like somebody punching the machine behind me? What is happening? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, back to us. It's always back to us, you guys. 748. Here we go. Let's get 3 coins in the next 3 spins, you guys. Can we do it? That was $8. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so much is happening. I don't even know what to say, what to do. There's some aces for $6. Do it, coin, star, I don't know what, whatever. Oh my gosh, train. Oh my gosh, we got all those amounts, you guys. 67.50? You're not gonna believe it, but I was gonna stop there at 700. But now we have some wiggle room. 769.50 is our new ticket high. Let's keep going, you guys. Buffaloes. Another $20. 782 is now our new high. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. This train is doing amazing, you guys. Buffaloes, coins. I don't know. My brain is starting just to wig out. Oh my god. 3 coins. Do it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I had to fix this camera. It looks crooked or something. Okay. Oh my gosh. You guys, I don't even know if I've welcomed you in today. I hope you're having a great day, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it because you know I love spending time with you guys. I wish you all could just be here at the casino with me, enjoying this time together. Oh my gosh, we got the train. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's at least 3 cars, but it could be as much as 10 cars, you guys, which I didn't even count. It can be as much as, let's see, each car is going to be $60. So that means it could be as much as $600. Okay. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, 4 cars, 5 cars. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Oh my gosh. $420. You guys know where this ticket is at. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is absolutely an express win. We did it, you guys. It's there. Heart palpitations everywhere. You see this? It's a little shaky. The ticket now, $1,143. This machine is showing no signs of slowing down at all. Let's go. Now remember, we started with $200. I have not had to put anything else in it. It has been doing so... Okay, wait. 1,100 and I don't remember what we were at. I'm going to say $30. You guys know, and that's all that matters. We've had 2 coin bonuses. We've had the minor train on its own, which was fabulous. I think we've only had 1 gold train. $250, you guys. Can we get another coin bonus and have it really redeem itself? Because we never got any trains in those. Okay. Buffaloes. Just a little bit for $8, but it's a win. Guys, it's... Oh my gosh, do it, do it, do it. Oh, even a star would have been fantastic because we would have gone for that mini train. Oh, anything, anything. Look at all of those amounts, you guys. There is so much happening on the screens. Oh, okay, $20. All right. Oh, thank you. All right, you guys, bought us a couple more spins because you know there is no way I am going below 1,000. You know, it's already taken back a lot. Let's go over to the nickel side and let's do some 375 just to finish it up, just to see if it's got anything in it, because I think the dime side was just kind of done with us. One more. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. One more spin. All right, you guys, I'm calling it there. I think that took back about $130 from us, but we are perfect cashing out there. Luxury Line Cash Express. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous job. Thank you so much. You guys, if you're not subscribed here and you want more fun, you want more fun videos, please subscribe. Comment down below, you guys. Thumbs up the video. I really appreciate it and it really helps out my channel. Until we meet again in the next video, you guys take care of yourselves. You know I love you lots. Have a fabulous day, you guys. And we'll see you later. Bye, you guys. Where is my cash out button? Let's take our money and leave this station.